Did you want to see a magic trick? You will with this pumpkin magic cake. You're gonna see me make layers in this cake and they're gonna flip. Magic! The first thing you do is get a box of yellow cake mix and make this mix according to directions. And here goes that batter into the bottom of the pan. Remember that, the bottom. Next in a bowl, we need a can of pumpkin puree. Half a cup of evaporated milk. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. 3 eggs. 1 cup of brown sugar. And a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Mix together until smooth. I'm gonna pour this very slowly all over that cake mix on top. Now I'm gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. And then the magic will happen. The magic cake is out of the oven. Time to let it cool and make a topping. A box of vanilla instant pudding. A teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. A cup of milk. Whisk until thickened. I'm gonna mix in some whipped topping, about 8 ounces. Spread it on top of the cooled cake. Time to slice into this pumpkin magic cake. Magic pumpkin cake. Look at the layers. Cake on the top, pumpkin on the bottom. Let's try it. Magical! I went to a magic show where the magician spoke Spanish. He said, "Uno, dos," and disappeared without a trace.